guys, just wanted to do a quick little video today. What I made today was shrimp. These little bite-sized pieces of shrimp. Look at how good they look. Ooh, yummy. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick little video of it. What I do is put a little bit of lemon on them, put a little bit of salt, and just munch on them. So how is your day going? Your morning, your noon, your night, whatever you are going to watch this. How is everything going? Finally went back to work today. Oh my God. Thank you, God, for letting me go back to work today. I was already tired. Oh, I got onion rings too. Check out these little guys. Anyways, I was already ready to go back to work. Thank God I got to go back to work. I was already going crazy here in my house. I guess I can only spend so many days in my house before I go crazy. I just have a little bit of ketchup right there. So yeah. I'm cooking I cooked shrimp for me, and I cooked a steak and shrimp and a baked potato for my husband. He's at work. He hasn't got home yet. He'll get his when he get home. But at lunchtime, I was like, you know what? I feel like eating shrimp. My husband's like, you're going to go buy it, or are you going to make it? I'm like, I'm going to make it. I want to make it. I feel like cooking today. I should have recorded how I made it, but I just started cooking. I didn't even think about it. I'm going to try to do more videos. They probably won't be about going and eating or anything. It'll probably just be me, what I cook at home. I mean, I'm used to cooking at home, so I'd rather just cook at home. Hey, baby. No? So, yeah, I'll probably just do that. Ooh, little burp. Anyways, yeah, today went kind of fast. By the time I knew it, it was 4 o'clock. I was like, dang, I'm already ready to go. My burps don't want to come out. Anyways, so yeah, I'm like, day was just going by so slow in the morning, and then all of a sudden it's just like, whoop, 4 o'clock. Hey, I'm ready to go home. But shoot, they had me outside and it was freaking freezing. I feel for the people that have to work outside, because I don't know how y'all do it. I was freezing my ass off. I had like little cotton gloves on that they supply there at work. My jacket, I had it all bundled up. I had my hoodie on. I was just like freaking cold. it is, but every time I record, my nose starts leaking, running, however you want to say it. It's probably going to be a short video. I don't have much to talk about. Except for my husband forgetting about the time and forgot to pick me up from work. Lucky I had the number to his I don't even know, the lab or somewhere. Lucky I had that number, because if I didn't have that number, I wouldn't have knew how to get a hold of him. It probably would have been 7:30 by the time I got home. I called over there and he was like, yeah, the guy was like, the phone's for you. And he's like, nuh-uh. He goes, no, it's not. And the guy's like, yeah, it's for you. And he gets on the phone. I'm like, hello, you know what time it is? He's like, what's wrong? I'm like, it's 4 o'clock. I'm ready to go home. He's like, oh, shit. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. He's like, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. Yeah, I'll be right there. So he came and picked me up. Still apologizing to me. And then he got there and picked me up. Still apologizing to me. He's like, I'm sorry. I'm like, it's okay. I was like, I wasn't in no rush. I mean, I stayed on the clock. Got paid for waiting for you. So, yeah. I don't like too much batter on my shrimp, so I just put one little coat on it, and that's it. I don't even dunk it in milk, or in like the wash or anything to get it like the thick coat. I don't like that. Got my Kool-Aid. Sorry guys. Those always runs. I don't know. I wanted shrimp all day long, and now it's like did I really want to eat this? I don't know. You know how you get in the mood of you want to eat something and you're like, man, you're craving it, you want it, and you know, and then by the time you get it, it's like, do I really want to eat this? Now I'm feeling like that. It's like, did I really want to eat it? Just get them all wet with the lemon and put salt on all of them then. Instead of doing them one by one, right? What do y'all like putting on your shrimp? Y'all eat it with tartar sauce? Y'all eat it with ketchup? Butter? I know doing a shrimp boil, I'll eat that with butter. Boiled shrimp, I'll eat it by itself. Shrimp like this, I'll eat it with ketchup. But the shrimp that has that thick coat batter, that has a real thick coat, like you get at like Red Lobster or like Long John Silver's, you know, that thick coating like that, I will eat it with tartar sauce. But other than that, I won't eat it with tartar sauce. I like Long John Silver's. I should do a Long John Silver's mukbang because they have these little crunchies. Oh my god, they're to die for. And you can eat them with the camera's just like going crazy again. You know what? I didn't even take a picture. Oh my god. Let me fix up my plate. Hold on. So anyways, this morning I couldn't do my hair for nothing. I swear my hair was just like hey, there's a good burp. My hair was just like total mess this morning. So look at how I did my hair. I did little guys at the top. See them? They're just little bitty guys. I always do my hair different ways, and the people at work are like, "Oh, how cute! You did your hair so cute." Yeah, okay. Thank you. I like my onion rings real crispy. Wish I can eat like a normal person. I like that I can go to this one place here in town and I can buy my shrimp and it'll already be peeled. It'll already be deveined. All I have to do is just cut it a little bit more because I like them open a little bit more. We have that kind of open effect. See how it's open? And see, it's a little bit more close to that when I get it. So I just cut it a little bit more. And then, yeah. Fry them up. Stop! I don't remember which ones I put lemon on. Trying to see if they're wet. Tell me, why is it I was coming home today and everybody and their mama wanted to pass me up. It was like I was going so slow. I was like, am I just sitting here or what? Why is everybody going so fast? Why are they in a hurry for? I'm gonna go back to work tomorrow. And then another 3-day weekend. Yes. Just kidding. I just barely went back today and I'm ready to stay going back. I'd rather be at work than be at home sometimes. Because, you know, sometimes you get tired of being at home. I don't know how some people do it. If they stay home and if they stay home and they, you know, they do their house chores and they take care of their kids, or if they don't have kids, you know, they're there at home. I don't understand how they do it because they don't have a job. Yeah, they're getting their little monthly check or whatever. Or some do. I don't know what everybody does. You know, I'm not saying anybody particular. I'm just saying in general. So don't quote me on that. Don't tell me, oh, you're talking about me. No, I'm not. But anyways, yeah, it's just like, how do they do it? How do they stay home all the time and not do anything? Or just like the wives, you know, their husbands go to work and they come home and the wives are home. Yeah, they cook and clean for their husband and have everything done for them. What else do they do? I mean, makes you wonder, right? I mean, what are y'all doing in a day? I mean, I wouldn't be able to do it. I could do it. I did it for this week, and that was it. I think by the third day, I had 5 days off. By the third day, the second and a half, third day, I was ready to go back to work. I couldn't do it. I don't know how these people do it. You know, at one time I wasn't working, but I didn't. I guess it didn't register in my head, you know, how it was to be at work and how it was to be at home. Because when my kids were small, I didn't work. I mean, but I took care of my kids. I did what I had to do for my kids. You know, I didn't go out and paint the town or, you know, red or whatever, you know, the little saying, paint the town red. Anyways, yeah, I mean, I wasn't like that. So, I mean, I don't remember how it was for me. I know I was bored being at home. I know I would get frustrated sometimes. But, I mean, how, just crazy, right? Just crazy. How can somebody be doing that their whole life? Hold on, baby. I know when I had my kids, I wanted to be home with them. I wanted to be a home mom. A home mom. I want to just make sure y'all heard that right. You know, some people, if they don't hear something right, they're trying to make it into something else. So, yes, a home mom. And I wanted to be with my kids all the time. I wanted to go to the school functions. You know, I worked in between whenever my kids were growing up. But recently, whenever they were, like, when my older daughter was able to take care of my other ones, I actually did start working, and she helped me out all the time. And she did a lot for me, and I really appreciated her. Now she lives in a different town. I hardly see her. When I do tell her to come by, she don't come by. And she always has something to do, so yeah. I mean, I miss her dearly, but life goes on. I mean, she has her things to do. I have my things to do. I mean, it'll happen. When it happens, it'll happen. We'll see each other. But until the day comes, I'll be missing her dearly and loving her every day. But anyways, so yeah, I know I didn't have that much on my plate. And I know I didn't talk that much, but I said in the beginning it was going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you what I made, eat a little bit, what I had on my plate, and yeah, show you, you know, I do cook. I don't go out and eat all the time. I cook. Actually, I cook Monday through Friday, sometimes Saturday and Sunday, depending on if my husband feels like me cooking or not. So yeah. So I mean, he's a great husband. Oh yeah, there is one thing. He knows that I like watching TV or listening to something in the kitchen whenever I'm cooking or cleaning or washing dishes or whatever, you know, it can be. He knows that I like being in here, and so last night he ordered me a little TV so I can put in here inside my kitchen so I can watch something. I was like, what? I was like, oh my God, are you serious? And he's like, yeah. He goes, you deserve it. And I'm like, what? Why do I deserve that? I'm like, okay. You know, I'm a pain in the ass. I know I am. I'm a big pain in the ass. But, I mean, he says he loves me. So he's buying me that I know he loves me. He loves me with all his heart. And actually, he did buy me a camcorder. I'm all excited. Can't wait for it to come in. We'll have to go pick it up, but not till next week. But anyways, yeah, so I can't wait till I get my cam and I can record a lot more and do a lot more videos, and I mean, just everything. I mean, I'm just so excited. I mean, he bought me a TV, he bought me a little camcorder because he knows I wanted to do videos. So yeah, I'm like all excited. I'm like, I'm just shocked because he bought me this stuff. And like, wow. And usually it's the other way around. I buy him everything. I mean, I bought him PlayStation 4. I bought him the Xbox One. I bought him the 360. I bought him the Kinect. Or I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It was another machine. And yeah. I mean, I bought him everything that he had. I bought the TV in the room. He uses it more than me. So, I mean, we buy each other everything. So, I mean, that's a good thing. I mean, we love each other unconditionally. And we buy stuff for each other all the time. So, yeah. Can't break that bond. So, anyways. Sorry for the short video, but hey, at least it's a little video, you know. At least I ate a little bit on here. And I think I waited too long because I was like not feeling the shrimp anymore. But I don't know. I'll see what I make next time, and I'll share with y'all just like I shared just now. So I hope y'all have a good night, good morning, good evening, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share my page. Share my page. Yeah. Leave a comment. Let me know how y'all doing. Let me know what y'all thinking. So yeah. I guess until the next video. Bye.